how land developers make money. You heard it right. In this video, I'll tell you an entire process and different ways how a land developer can make money through different ways and different sources. I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and entrepreneur, and I welcome you to Real Estate University. In this video, I'll tell you an entire process and the ways through which you can learn various ways of generating money as a real estate entrepreneur. So point number one, as a land developer, you can generate money from plot buyers. You heard it right. If suppose you have started a land development project, you have started a plotting project in 5 acres. In that 5 acres, you have taken all the sanctioning, all the permissions, and now you are ready to sell the plots. And you have at least 70 plots to sell. In that case, whatever plot you sell to the plot buyers, through which you will get an X amount of money. This is the first source through which a land developer can easily make a profit. The second way of making profit as a land developer, as a real estate entrepreneur, is from selling PU, public utility land. So in the same 5 acre land, if suppose you got 20,000 square feet land, you left 20,000 square feet for public utility, or 15,000 square feet and 15,000 square feet for open space. In the open space, it is compulsory to have a garden or something. But in public utility land, you can either have a hospital or a school, or you can sell that land for this kind of purposes which were mentioned in the document which says that you can utilize the public utility land in your own plotting layout. So either you can lease out, either you can sell. This is the second way through which you can earn money as a real estate entrepreneur, as a land developer. So if you watch this video till point number 2, and if you want to know the third way of making money as a land developer, before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, click on subscribe button and hit on bell icon. We don't want you to miss this kind of practical problem solving videos. The third way of earning money as a land developer, as a real estate entrepreneur, is from making a scheme on your own plot. If suppose out of that 5 acre, the 70 plots you got after sanctioning, you kept 2 plots. After 2 years, when the surrounding area is developing, when there were major projects coming in the same area where you have your own plotting project, there you have decided to have a flat scheme on your own plot. So if suppose you have left a 3,000 square feet plot or a 5,000 square feet plot, and based on the sanctioning of your local authority, local body or your city, you have planned 8 2 BHK flats in 3,000 square feet and 10 3 BHK flats in 5,000 square feet, for an example. Then again you can earn a good handsome amount from the same plot what you have in your own layout. So this is the third way of making money as a land developer. There are 25 plus different ways. In this video, I'll be telling you the common 5 ways which 90% plus people were using in our country. Point number 4, from leasing open land. Sometime you can lease out or you can reutilize the open land as well if your layout size is very big. If suppose you have a 50 acre layout and the open land what you have is more than 5 acre or 7 acre in your own layout, you can lease out in future for different purposes. So that is also one way through which you can earn money as a developer, but this is very less used. It is not that frequent. Friends, you have watched this video till point number 4. Before knowing point number 5, do hit on like button. Your like gives more energy to our team members so that we can bring more practical content for you in future. Point number 5, from banks. Now your question might be how a land developer can earn from banks. Now, if suppose your project is fully sanctioned, if your project is RERA approved, and if banks like SBI, HDFC, different banks were giving loan to your plot buyers, in that case, you have a good tie-up with the bank so that bank can give you 0.60, 0.81%, 0.40 based on the kind of tie-up you do with the bank. This is an additional money you can generate as a land developer. You can reutilize that money for giving salaries, for brand awareness, for marketing. So as a land developer, you have to understand this, that there are different ways of making money as a land developer. You can use any of this. There are 20 plus different ways as well that we teach in our advanced program. If you want to contact our team member, you can contact on the below given board line number. If you want us to have a clarity or a strategic call with you, then you can fill a form which is given in the description. The name of the form is Real Estate Game Changer CEO Coaching. You can fill that form. You can fill out all the description. If my team will select you, we can have a clarity or a strategic call. In normal cases, we charge 50,000 plus for that clarity call. But if my team selects you, we can have that one-to-one coaching clarity call free of cost for you, 30 to 45 minutes. So thank you so much, dear friends, for liking our videos. Thank you so much for making our channel one of a leading channel. Thank you so much for making our book Real Estate Game Changer national bestseller book. We'll meet you in the next video.